guys, so today I want to show you how to make these beautiful paper umbrellas. Well, as you can see, they can be opened and closed as well. So this is very easy to make, but this has many intricate folds, so make sure that you can make them. So hope you guys like the video. Let's get started. Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in diagonally on one side and then on the other side, like this. Next, you're just gonna turn the paper to the other side and fold it in half. Make sure that it is equal, or else you will get an asymmetrical umbrella. Yeah, fold it in half and then also do the same fold on the other side. So guys, look, now our paper is divided into 8 parts. By the way, this is for the bottom part of the umbrella, so we are basically gonna use the same techniques. Yeah, so after doing this, fold it like this, and you'll notice here's this fold it again like this, then like this, and just press it flat. So you might notice that I have done this fold in my origami flapping bird video or in my tissue paper flower video. So if you want to watch them, click here. Yeah. So next you're just gonna fold it like this. And here. Yeah. Now make sure to do it on the other side as well. Make sure that this line touches the middle part. Yeah. Then it will be equal. So guys, now that I'm done on both sides, let me show you how to do this. Open this side and just press it flat like this and put it back again, and again open this side and press it flat like this and put it back again. Do the same for this side as well. So after you're done, it's gonna look something like this. So guys, now comes another part. Basically, we have already divided this paper into a lot of segments, but we'll need to keep doing it until we reach these many folds. So next you will just fold it again like this. It should touch the middle, and also for this side. Yeah. Next you're gonna do the same thing for here and also on these sides. So guys, look, I'm done doing this on all the sides. So this might look a bit intricate, but don't be scared. This is very easy to do. Next, notice this fold carefully. Yeah, you're gonna just open one of these folds and with the help of your fingers, just press it flat on the middle like this. Next, you're just gonna fold it back. Do it for this side as well, like this. Put your finger inside and just press it flat and fold it back. So again, you're just gonna do the same thing for this side and all these sides that are inside. So guys, look, I'm done doing it on all the sides. So next you're just gonna put 2 folds to the left and turn it back and put 2 folds from the right like this. So you'll notice that here is a straight line on this side and also on this side. Now you're gonna need your scissors. Just cut along these straight lines. Yeah, so this is useless. We're just gonna need this part. Make another one like this. So you're just gonna need 2 of them. They are a bit hard to maintain because you know there are so many folds. So you're gonna need 2. One is for the upper part and another is for the lower part. So I will use this red as an upper part. So for now I'm gonna do nothing but just cut it off till this much. So here's a hole in the middle. So you're gonna do the same thing for this part, and then what you're gonna do is just take it and cut it like this. Make sure that the cut is big, but it should not be big enough to touch this middle part, or else you're just gonna lose that portion. So again, do it on this side. Try to make it equal. Yeah. So guys, look, I'm done. So after you will open it, you'll see here's this pattern. So you might notice that here's a link between these both patterns. So now after completely opening it, let me show you what to do. You notice here are these sides, which you're just gonna push upward like this. And here's this part. You're just gonna slowly pinch it. So yeah, this is basically the most complicated part of making this umbrella, but once you know how it's done, you're gonna get used to it. again fold it here and make a crease here. So repeat this thing on the entire umbrella. So guys, look, after you're done, you'll end up with a shape like this. It kind of looks like a flower. So look how much they resemble each other. So next, you're just gonna stick it up and make the stick part, and basically that's it. So yeah, first of all, you're gonna have to glue it up together. So make sure that you only put glue on the edges. Yeah, so just take your glue and just put it on the edges. Don't try to put it inside, or else there might be trouble while opening your umbrella. So just lightly glue it up. Yeah. Next, you're gonna place them the way I'm showing. The folds should completely match each other, or else your umbrella will not be symmetrical. So just press on these edges and make sure that they all line up with each other, like this. So guys, next you're just gonna make the stick part. Look how this works. So it resembles these. So next you're just gonna take another sheet of paper. Well, this should be rectangular and this will be used to make the stick. So like this, gently roll it up from one edge. Make sure it is tightly rolled, not loose, because if you do that, you might have trouble opening your umbrella later on. So make sure that it is not loose. So after you're done, you're just gonna glue it up. So guys, we are done with both of them. So let's wait for them to dry. So guys, look, they both have dried up. So you're just gonna slowly put it inside like this. Yeah. So you're just gonna gently spin it like this and poke it through. Yeah. So next, you're just gonna take a strip of paper. Well, this measures approximately 1.5 centimeters on this side. And I am not sure about the length, so you're just gonna use this thing to make this upper part. So first of all, you're gonna take some glue and glue it up. Put it a bit on the above, and then just slowly roll it up completely. Make sure that even a bit of this umbrella part is within. This way it won't be detached easily. So just roll it up. So guys, look, after rolling it, you're just gonna put some glue and glue this thing up. So yeah, this did not work out and it's still separated, but you can again use some glue here. Well, this would prevent it from getting detached. So now wait for this thing to dry up. So guys, look, it has dried up properly. So now look, this is how the mechanism is gonna work. So you're just gonna need something to be here like this. Basically, this will help us open and close the umbrella. If you don't have something like this, then it's gonna be hard to maintain your umbrella. So first of all, take a strip and roll it tightly across this paper. So now you're gonna use some glue. This is just to make sure that this strip does not open up anytime, or else it will cause trouble. But make sure that none of this glue touches the black part or the stick of the umbrella. So again, just roll it. So guys, after you're done rolling, you're just gonna glue this thing up. Again, make sure that none of this glue touches the black part, or else it will get stuck. So now wait for this thing to dry up. So guys, look, I'm done. This is dried up. Now you're gonna stick some glue, but again, the glue should be only on the blue part. It should not touch the black part. Well, if it does mistakenly touch, you can just simply wipe it off, because if this thing sticks to the black part, your umbrella is gonna be ruined. Yeah. So again, stick it up completely and wait for it to dry. So guys, look, it has already dried up. So basically this is our umbrella, but if you want, you can add something underneath like this or this. So again, you're just gonna take some glue and just roll this thing up like this. So by the way, if you guys are wondering that why I couldn't upload a video, that is because I have online classes. So our vacation is over, and because of this, I'm not getting enough time, but whatever, I'll try to post videos. So guys, basically this is the umbrella. Hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. Bye.